Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform your photo into a zombie using pixverse. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to visit the pixverse website. You can type in pixverse on your browser, and then after you have found this website, you can open it. And then we're going to use this website to turn our photo into a zombie. And I'm just going to go to the effect and then select the zombie mode. Okay, and then you're going to upload your image to this website. Choose the image you want to transform into a zombie, and I'm gonna go with this one. I'm going to click on open and wait for a moment guys. Okay, now the image has been uploaded. Then you can choose the duration. I'm gonna go with 5 seconds, and then you can choose the style right here, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And then we're going to click on create. Okay, and just wait for a moment. The AI will transform your photo into a zombie. Okay guys, now it's done, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that my photo has been transformed into a zombie. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download option and the video will be downloaded. And I'm going to check it in my file explorer. I'm going to go to the download, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to transform our photo into a zombie using pixverse. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.